This video is about hoists. So what a hoist does is it attaches to the rigging point in the venue, watch the other video, and then it attaches to our equipment underneath and it lifts our equipment in the air. I'm standing right next to a hoist here right now. This is an electric hoist, which means it's done by electronic control, and you can also lift several all at the same time, which is essential for a multi-point lift. The other type of hoist we sometimes use is a manual chain hoist. That's a block similar to this but smaller. It clips on and there's a control chain that you manually pull, and as you pull it, it lifts the chain up. So that's rigging hoists. Motor hoists, manual hoists. That's normally provided by us, but sometimes venues will provide them, or other times a client might book their own hoist from the venue. One of the benefits of booking it from the venue is it'll be pre-rigged by the time we get there for the build. That can have a big impact because on shows like this one, you can easily spend an entire morning just attaching these motors. And while that's happening, it can be challenging to work around the guys putting the hoist in. So again, sometimes provided by us, sometimes provided by the venue.